Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to fix a pending SSL error on Shopify. When you access your Shopify dashboard, if you've set up a domain, go to the left sidebar, click on Settings, then the Settings tab, and again on the left menu, click on Domains. You'll see the Domains page with your recently configured domain showing a pending SSL seal. All you need to do is wait, because when you set up a domain on Shopify and configure the DNS at your provider, it can take hours to propagate. After that, the SSL certificate will be installed correctly. You can check if your domain is working and DNS is set up properly. To do this, you can visit whatsmids.net. The site will ask you to enter your domain. Type it in, and after entering the domain, leave the option as A and click search. This will show Shopify's default IP that you used during setup. However, you'll notice the IP appears with some red X's. These X's indicate that the domain isn't fully propagated yet. Over time, you'll see these red X's change to green. All you need to do is wait for this process. Wait until all indicators turn green. You can also check www, so enter www.yourdomain, change A to CNAME and search. It should show shops.myshopify.com. In some places you'll still see a red X. Just wait a few minutes. It might take up to a few hours. Once it's all green, it'll be working correctly. If on some servers you only see a red X, don't worry as long as your store is accessible. Just wait a few hours and then you can come back and reload the page. After waiting, the SSL pending message will be gone successfully. Just wait, and when you access your store, it'll work properly with the SSL certificate. I hope this video helped.